Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, quite an active trade overnight. Early calls were higher as the war continues in Ukraine and possibly reducing exports out of the Black Sea of both corn, wheat, and sun oil. We also noted that down in South America, there's talk of lower crop production, which could reduce especially their corn exports. There was a report out of Argentina that they have stopped offering export licenses for soy meal and soy oil, and that it could also include wheat. The first negative headline came out with Russia asking for military aid from China. The second negative report that came out, possible ceasefire talks again between Russia and Ukraine, despite the fact they continue to advance on key cities and have missile attacks on key Ukraine military bases and training centers, especially one near the Polish border. And then the final thing was China locking down Shenzhen port city because of COVID. Shenzhen is a very active port for imports, and it also is a key technology production area, especially for Apple. And so you saw most commodities take risk off on concern about drop in China import demand. Under the basic fundamentals, we're still looking for a lower corn carryout due to higher demand. We're also looking at a lower soybean carryout, also because of a maybe shift out of South America, with Brazil beans maybe not being available after September because of the lower crop. We do see that South America weather, central Brazil rain should help the corn crop there, while some dryness in Argentina could offer some resistance or stress to their late planted corn. Also in the Southern Plains, the next 2 days has some off and on chances of some light showers. Our weather guy still thinks by mid-April we'll turn to a drier pattern, which should be positive to wheat. So again, a risk-off day, possible Russia-Ukraine talks, China locking down a key port because of COVID, and we'll be watching what the Fed says this week. Inflation continues to increase, especially in food and gasoline prices. Some people hope that they do more than 25 basis point increase, but that's where the most people look for them to do this week. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.